Hey guys, good morning. Before I start the video, I do want to say please like, subscribe, and comment. And if you want to join the Patreon, you can join at patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. I'm going to first start off the vid by saying I am bearish on GameStop. I do think this is a stock that eventually is going to go back to 10 bucks. Obviously, this can go back to $10 within the next 6 months. That's what my opinion. I don't like GameStop as a company. I do think it's eventually going to shit itself, right? For the time being, I will continue to do TA for you guys just because just on what the chart says, right? And I'm going to focus on the 4-hour, 24-hour just to kind of give you guys an idea of what I think generally can happen, right? As of right now, the chart in itself does look bullish towards the upside, right? And I'm really only saying that, I definitely would say to be risk off when it comes to GameStop, just because I think eventually more people than more people than less are gonna be hurt by this, right? That's pretty obvious, right? Like a lot of people are gonna be stuck holding bags. And again, I just need to say and clarify that you have a lot of people. What is it called? A lot of it's going to be a lot of money that's going to be expiring on June 21st on the options of what's it called, Roaring Kitty, right? And I'm pretty sure executives already been selling their stocks up here at like 64 bucks, 80 bucks, whatever. But essentially what happened, you already ran to $80, you rejected, right? It came back up to 37, or I forgot where it was, and it broke that. And I told my chat, if it breaks like 40 something, then it's going to go to 64 and reject. What happened? It went to like 63, it went to like 66, whatever, rejected, came right back down. But as of right now, you are starting to look a little bit more bullish towards the upside. So I can definitely see us, right? You have some daily resistance here at 37.55, right? Do you actually have it there? Actually, give me 1 second. Why did I put that there? Oh, yeah, there we go. 37.48, right? I do think that there's one of two things. You can probably keep pushing towards the upside, right? As of right now, I do have a target of 44.50 and 37.48. So I would not be surprised for GameStop to push to 37.54 right now, right? Because you are bullish. If you break this, 44. If you break 44, you're going back up to 63. If 63 breaks, then you are going back to highs of I'd probably go with like 80 bucks, right? But again, you got to break all these levels in order for this to actually push to the upside, right? At $80, you have a pre-split price of 320. And that's when things can get really, really fucky, right? And I've said this in past videos before. GameStop, personally, I think is a shit stock, but you won't see shorts actually get hurt until you have a $300 pre-split price or higher, right? And that's going to entail what's 300 divided by 4? 300 divided by 4. You need a price of at least 75 or higher, right? So I personally think that at 75 or higher, this is your danger zone for the shorts, right? Not down here, not anywhere at 60, whatever. I think it's 75 bucks, right? 75 bucks. If at any point in time GameStop actually starts holding the $75 level towards the upside, I think shorts have a really, really huge chance of really fucking shitting itself, and that's when things get extremely, extremely interesting, right? Because our all-time high is 119, which is like 480 bucks, I think. I think that's what it is. $480 pre-split at 119, right? So up here at these highs, shorts are fucked. I can guarantee you guys that shorts at any point at this level, anything above 75, I personally think shorts are completely fucked. And then if people really start closing up here and you maintain this level, GameStop is going ridiculous and the whole market's going to collapse, right? Because that's essentially the theory, right? That everything is just upside down. And if this actually collapses, then it's basically the whole market is going to collapse, right? That's pretty much a theory because of how shorted GameStop is, right? How indirectly shorted GameStop is. So again, these are essentially your levels, right? You are bullish towards 37.48 right now. If you break above that and you close like a 4-hour candle above that resistance, you're going to 44. If that 44 breaks, you're going to 63. If that 63 breaks, you're going to 80. If you break 80, I don't want to say I can guarantee previous all-time highs, but if you break 80 bucks, you're essentially kind of in a price discovery zone where I think that $119 won't actually be the top, and you actually keep running higher from that. But like I said, after $75, I really think that's where things get extremely interesting. And the chances of you going from 75 to like $140 is pretty fucking high, right? Because once, right? If shorts start closing their positions, you're not gonna see, these pushes up by like, 20 to like $50 in a day. These things are gonna shoot up like $100 in a day or $200 in a day. That's if the shorts close their positions. It will reflect on price, right? And I only think that big money starts closing their positions above 75, right? I'm on big money side. I don't think anything's gonna happen, right? Because if something does and the theory happens, then the whole fucking stock market collapses, right? And then there's obviously really bad assumptions after that, right? But as of right now, $37. Break 37, go to 44, break 44, go to 63, break 63, go to 79, $80. You break that, you're in price discovery, and I don't think you stop at 119. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.